Are you looking for a rewarding career in health and wellness? We got you covered. Registered massage therapy is one of the fastest growing and in-demand careers all across Canada. And our newly launched RMT program is just the right choice for you.
The RMT program at WCC is 6 semesters, so just under 2 years you can have a really rewarding career in massage therapy. It's really in demand. It's a healthcare profession, so you'll be a registered healthcare professional by the time that you're done. And because of insurance companies, it's really prioritized as a way to promote and maintain your wellness. So at the end of 2 years, you will end up in a rewarding healthcare career.
To be eligible for RMT program, you need to have grade 12 diploma or at least be 19 years old. For English language proficiency, you need to submit a certified test like IELTS.
Our in-house student clinics, qualified instructors, and multiple student loan options and $5,000 scholarships will help you pursue your dream career as a registered massage therapist. At WCC, you don't just learn a skill, you build a future that matters.
So are you ready to take the next step? I'm here to guide you through the entire admissions process, from your first question to your first day of class. Let's get started on your journey towards becoming a registered massage therapist at WCC.